Hello my beautiful ladies, it's Greta here, ladies relationship coach, and in this video I will talk about how to give a man uncertainty in a healthy way. So ladies, why you should give a man uncertainty? Because it's one of the guy's love needs, but it's very important that you give it in a balanced way, same as everything else. And just to point it out, it's not the only love need that he has, it's just one of them. There is also admiration, appreciation, and many more. Anyway, ladies, you really have to be careful with giving him uncertainty so you don't overdo it. And you have to make sure to give a man uncertainty in a healthy way. And when you give a man uncertainty in a healthy way is when you have a high value mindset. So what is a high value mindset? The short description of it would be ultimate self-love, for which I actually have a package for sale on my website. So before I tell you how to give a man uncertainty in a healthy way, let me point out some common mistakes where you ladies been going wrong and being bitchy, rude, disrespectful, and just really horrible, but thinking that that is what he needs. And ladies, let me tell you something. None of the high value, self-respecting men will ever put up with rude, disrespectful, cold biatch. So let's fix it before you go overboard and get dumped. So in this video, I'm going to give you a couple examples of where you're just being cold, disrespectful bitch, and a couple of examples of how to get it right in a high value way. So the first example where you're being a bitch, when you are setting too tough boundaries. So for example, he teased you a bit or set something off and you are pouting, drastically leaving and then ignoring him for days, trying to teach him a lesson that he cannot talk to you this way. Basically, when you make an elephant out of a fly. Here's a good example. The lady that I coached was being high value. The guy asked her out, confirmed the date, but didn't plan it. She ignored him for 5 days, even though he was texting and calling her, and when he dumped her. Now she wants him back, but it's been 1 month and no sign from him. The second example is when a man is coming to you and is expressing his feelings for you or is asking you vulnerable questions. I had a lady who was being sarcastic back to her boyfriend when he did that, thinking that she's giving him uncertainty, whereas actually she was just being a bitch. For example, he says, "Would you still like me if I lost my job?" And what she was doing, she was replying to him in a sarcastic, arrogant, nearly I'm above you way. Ladies, this is ridiculous. When a man comes to you for reassurance, you give him reassurance. And actually, reassurance is one of guys' needs too. It's not the major need, but it's still a need. The third example is when your text messages are too cold. You're literally replying with one word, and I don't give a F attitude. But ladies, if he respects himself, he will start to reply in a way that he doesn't give an F attitude to. Ladies, it's all about having a balance. Don't be desperate and don't be a bitch. High value is the right balance. By the way, saying this, I really recommend you to get my texting video, How to Stay Attractive Via Text, which you can find on my website, ladiesrelationshipcoach.com. So, what is a natural high value way to give uncertainty to a guy? Ladies, it's by loving yourself first. And here are a couple of examples of that. First, when you value and respect yourself, when you set in healthy boundaries in a relationship, you're automatically giving him uncertainty. as you're showing self-love, which means I know my value, I know my worth, and I don't let people walk all over me. Ladies, please watch my video how to get a man to respect you, which you can find just by following the link right here. Second is put yourself first. You were born by yourself and you're gonna die by yourself. Go for your dreams. Put yourself first. Ladies, when you're gonna die, God is not gonna ask you which husband have you married, which guy have you dated. It's gonna ask you, what have you done with the life that I gave you? You putting yourself first, you loving yourself, being high value, you are automatically giving him uncertainty because you're not making him into your whole world. You're not depending on him for your whole happiness. The third tip is let him pursue you. Ladies, watch my video why you should not chase a man, which you can find just right here, but show interest. He doesn't need to do all the work. You do need to be receptive, appreciative, and give in a feminine way too. So ladies, these are a couple of examples of how to fulfill one of guys' love needs, which is uncertainty. Please do not be bold with it. High value is a balance. So ladies, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please press like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments below what do you think. Join Greta's High Value Woman School, where we are all in the same boat, learning how to be women of high value and bring out the best in our men. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is called Ladies Relationship Coach. And if you would like some one-on-one coaching or group coaching, please book me through my website, which is called ladiesrelationshipcoach.com, and then get in contact with me through WhatsApp, and I will be there to hold your hand and help you out. Thank you so much for watching. Kisses from London. Mwah.